Hey, what is up, YouTube?
It's your boy.
Moto Genesis.
And welcome to another one of my videos.
I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone.
So today's video is about the first service of my motorcycle. Yes guys, you heard it right, I've serviced my motorcycle for the very first time. Now this topic is also a very hot topic when it comes to the FZ25, because a lot of the people wonder what the service cost is going to be like. तो as you know, I'm from Mumbai, तो मैंने अपनी बाइक तो अंधेरी में दे दी थी सर्विसिंग के लिए, क्योंकि if you see the Google reviews of all the service centers of Yamaha service centers, I'm sorry, if you see all the reviews of the Yamaha service centers available in Mumbai, they all have very bad reviews, very bad reviews. तो उसमें से सबसे एक अच्छा जो मेरे को मिला और जो सब लोग recommend करते हैं वो है Excellent Yamaha, which is based in Andheri near MIDC. So I went over there. Very nice service center. I mean, if you're from Mumbai and if you want to get your bike serviced, and if you expect good quality service and customer satisfaction, बस Excellent Yamaha में जाने का है, क्योंकि वो actual में excellent है. तो I'll just give you an experience of my service. मैं गया वहाँ पे, संदेश करके एक बंदा है, बहुत अच्छा बंदा है, वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बात करता है आपसे, बहुत अच्छे से रहता है, वो आपको सब एक्सप्लेन करता है. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो आप उसको बता दो, ही विल सॉल्व इट फॉर श्योर. आई मीन सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम FZ25 में है हार्ड गियर्स. So that got solved. I'm telling you, my gears are butter smooth right now, and he told me that as time passes by, it will only get smoother and smoother. तो वो प्रॉब्लम तो सॉर्ट हो गया. एक टैपेट के साउंड का प्रॉब्लम था, पता नहीं, वो बोला कि वो अपने आप चला जाएगा या क्या, अभी तो नहीं आ रहा, गॉड नोज व्हाट ही डिड. एंड चेन लूब और चेन क्लीनिंग तो मैंने उसको बोला मत करने के लिए, क्योंकि आई विल डू इट माई सेल्फ. सो the bike is perfectly smooth right now. It's really an enjoyable experience post service. And now coming to the cost, he charged me 800 rupees. Now I'll tell you how. 700 कुछ तो सिर्फ ऑयल का चार्ज था. He didn't have an oil filter, plus मेरे बाइक के इतने किलोमीटर्स हुए नहीं हैं. तो फिर he is like, it's okay if you change the oil filter a little later. तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, वो तो बाद में हम लोग कर लेंगे. तो ऑयल फिल्टर का बच गया. एज आई सेड बिफोर, चेन लूब एंड चेन क्लीनिंग, इसका चार्ज बच गया, क्योंकि वो तो मैं खुद से कर लेता और मेरे से अच्छे से हो जाता है वो कंपाउंड में बैठ के. तो फिर वाई वेस्ट मनी विद देम, दे चार्ज यू 200 रुपीज़ जस्ट फॉर दैट. यार जाओ थोड़ा मार्केट में, एक चेन स्प्रे ले लो, कुछ आता है, रोल ऑन का ही देख लो, रोल ऑन का 140 रुपीज़ का आ जाएगा, और एक WD-40 खरीद लो 180 रुपीज़ का. आई एम टेलिंग यू 5 to 10 times you will be able to do it, and it will cost you only 320 to 350 rupees for the spray and the lube, for the cleaning spray and the lube. बस एक टूथब्रश लेके बैठ जाओ, आधा घंटा लग जाएगा, हर 500 किलोमीटर्स में कर दो, यू आर सॉर्टेड. यू विल सेव 200 रुपीज़ इन एवरी सर्विस. So all he charged me, he worked really nicely. He lubed all the parts like the brake lever, the clutch lever. बस servicing was very good. First service था, ज़्यादा कुछ करने को भी नहीं होता है. He adjusted the idling of my motorcycle. He adjusted the clutch, which resulted in the gears being smoother. So yeah, it was a very enjoyable experience. मतलब उसने literally half an hour 45 minutes में सब कर दिया first service, and my bike is really cool right now. As you can see, I'm at like 60-70, no vibrations at all. The bike is smooth, it is roaring, no sound, nothing. The gears are smooth. तो यार, if you are in Mumbai, मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि जाओ Excellent Yamaha. If you don't know which service center to go to, अगर डाउट है तो Excellent Yamaha जाओ. मैं तो दूर रहता हूँ भाई अंधेरी से, तो मैंने तो टाइम निकाल के गया मैं, and I got it serviced from them. it was really good. It was really good. The service was really good. The service center people were really nice, and the time they took was hardly anything. Wash wish करके हाथ में flat, I'd say half an hour, 45 minutes. So it was a good experience. So yeah, that was my first service, guys. So if you have any doubts, do ask me in the comment section. You can contact me on Facebook. Motogenesis official page is there on Facebook. You can contact me on Instagram, but I don't know how long that Instagram page is going to be there. I'm thinking of deleting it. So yeah, you can contact me in either of the three places. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you like this video, guys, do like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe, guys, as the subscriber count goes up. I feel more and more motivated to make more and more videos that you guys would like. So ये थी मेरे first service की experience. If you like it, you know what to do. Chalo, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.